Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Hey, this is cool, this new classroom thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, how's it going?
Yeah. Everything is on the track.
What's your name?
My name is Jess Yadav. I'm from India.
Nice. My name is Kaylee. I'm from England. Nice to
Wow.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, what do you want to talk about anything specific?
Specific. Uh, I can't remember, but whatever you want to teach me, it will be perfect for me.
You want to just have general conversation?
Yeah. It
Okay.
also. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you live in India, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I am very fascinated with India. I really want to go one day.
You didn't went.
No, I haven't been yet. No. What could you tell me about India? Like, where would be very good places to visit, and what could you tell me about India?
In India, there is a lot of things in every state, and in my state. UP, call UP. So our state is famous for Taj Mahal, and also state is very good state is Gujarat. So in Gujarat there is largest stadium as well, and largest statue of unity as well. So it is recorded in Guinness Book of World. So there is lots of specific things, but
Yeah.
mostly people go to see the Taj Mahal.
Ah, yeah. And you've seen it?
No, unfortunately, I didn't
It's
see.
funny, isn't it? Like people from other countries come to visit your country, like where we live, but we haven't even seen those things that people come to visit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the saying is that the grass in other side looks greener,
Ah,
something
so
like this.
very good. So the saying is, the grass isn't always greener on the other side.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
So
I just think no, well, I don't think that's relevant in this situation. I think it's more like maybe we need to see more of our own country. Grass is, you know what I mean? Like, for instance, I have never looked around Scotland. You know Scotland?
I don't know much, but I just know name Scotland. So what do you do?
What do I do?
Yeah.
I do many things. So I obviously work on Cambly. I also work in a cafe. I'm also an artist, so I do art. This is one of my paintings.
Wow, it's amazing.
And I like to make things, and I like to do some exercise, and I like to play guitar.
Wow, you do all very good things. Like you do
Many.
exercise, playing guitars. So it is good to do multitasking in one time.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is it. Really hard nut to crack to do a lot of things simultaneously. It seems to me.
Well, I think I probably make a good balance in my life if I don't have to work too much. So then I can do the things that I enjoy more. It's I try and do that. Yeah.
Yeah, I also try. Sometime I dwell into workout. Sometime I study, but I find sometime difficult. But once uh, it become a habit, then I think it is easy.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's what you're doing? You're studying now?
Yeah, I completed my study. I completed my post graduation with English. That's why I just taking my account into learning English.
But now you study now.
I do nothing. I completed my study and I am doing
Oh,
nothing.
so now you're just chilling.
Yeah,
There you go. Do all the things you want to do right now. Maybe you could travel India.
yeah. I travel many states, so I have lots of experience about India, and I like about there is lots of things specific in India. There is lots of languages, cultures, customs, religions. Yeah, and India is famous for good food, and yeah. So whenever people come India, they really enjoy a lots of things like many more monuments and holy places as well in India, very famous for.
Yeah. Have you been to Rishikesh? Rishikesh.
Yeah, I never went there, but it is very good. It is called Switzerland of India because there is lots of waterfall and beaches, and it's very holy place. People
Yeah,
go to
that's what I
yeah
want
go
to
to
go.
take a bath in Ganga.
The Ganga River. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ganga or Ganga? Ganges? Ganga?
Yeah, Ganga River.
Ganga River. Yeah, that's where I would like to go in India, is Rishikesh.
So how did you find out about Rishikesh?
Because I study yoga. I did yoga.
Wow.
And then I wanted to go study in India. And then COVID came. So then I couldn't go.
So you completed your study in
No, no,
England.
no. No, I was just no. I haven't been to India yet, but I was just teaching myself and then I wanted to go to Rishikesh to learn to study more. Yeah.
So you completed your study or not?
No. No, I just do it for myself. You don't have to be qualified, but I used to think like in like 2019 that I wanted to be qualified, to study.
So according to you, a school is a factory where uh, people want to make product of their children,
Oh,
something
say again,
like
sorry?
this. Sometime I see on YouTube who believe that school is not good for any children. So they say something like this: if if anyone want to do anything in his life, then it is not necessary to go to school. Do you believe so?
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you.
yeah. Yeah, you can just do it for yourself, right?
Yeah, so you seems to me out of this world because you are thinking like this and you are working on lots of things. And yeah, according to me, you are very courageous because you are doing multitasking in one time.
I'm ridiculous.
No, not
No.
ridiculous. I said courageous.
Oh, it's completely opposite. I was like,
Yeah,
whoa. Oh, okay. Courageous. Yeah, thank you. Thanks.
yeah.
Um, yeah, I'm quite different to other women that I know. Well, so no, there's not many women doing it, but there are some. Like not so many. Most women um do the normal thing.
Yeah, so You seems very different. That's why I appreciating to you. Otherwise, I can't do it.
You could. You could.
Yeah, because I saw a lot of Twitter who just keep asking similar question, but you are telling about you, and it's very good to know that. And I also try to be like you to do multitasking because yeah, it's I think very refreshing to do a lot of things.
Yeah. I think it's good for the soul. Do you know the soul?
Yeah, I know.
To be creative and then do exercise and then go outside and just to do many things, because if you just work all the time and you go home, you just work, you go home, it's not I don't think it's healthy.
It is very boring sometimes.
Yes.
Yes, I
Which
believe
isn't good for
so.
your soul. Which is not good for your soul.
Yeah, so I think in this busy time we must spend some time with ourselves and we should talk with ourselves as well.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Do you meditate?
I don't meditate, I do gym for big
Ah,
bicep.
similar.
Yeah, similar, but boys like gym most because they want to be attractive.
I think in a way, like it's really healthy to find something like that. It's like a focus. So it's kind of like a meditation because you're focusing on something. So your mind is like more focused basically. So if you focus on something, it's kind of like a form of meditation. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so you can be a yoga teacher as well, I think.
Say again.
I said you can be a yoga teacher.
Yeah, but I don't want to be anymore.
Why
I
it
did.
is good.
Yeah, it is good. I just do it when I need to, when my back is hurting. But now I'm mostly into doing art and what else am
Yeah,
I in?
I was fond of making art when I was in school because my art was very good.
Oh
And
yeah,
in the exam, yeah, really,
you should still do it.
yeah, but I think time has gone. That's why I,
Just do it. Get some paper, get some paper, get some pen. Just start drawing. Get a white page. No time has gone.
yeah, but I just taking my account into learning English because I want to be a good speaker and I like speaking English.
Speak English, do some drawing, same time.
Yeah, and where I am living, here speaking English is
Ah, yeah. Super important.
yeah.
Yeah.
So to be honest, what you want to be in your life?
What do I want to be?
Yeah,
An artist.
artist.
Yeah. I just want to like paint and make things and people buy it. And this is what I do.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
being a Cambly tutor is your part-time job.
On Cambly.
Yeah.
Cambly is my part-time job and the cafe.
So I really appreciating you because you are doing lots of things. Sometimes I forget what you said, what do you do, but whenever you
Oh,
speak a lot.
we're out of time. I'm gonna have to say bye. It's been
Bye.
awesome talking to you. Ciao, ciao.
Same here. Bye. Thank you.